Welcome to Ovikanha's Art.
Hey kids! Today, we are going to draw and color a magical blue narwhal with a pink chocolate donut on its yellow tusk. And guess what? It will be surrounded by bubbles and holding its fin with hands. Let's get started. First, let's start with our narwhal's eyes. Draw 2 small circles for the and add a tiny dot inside each circle for the sparkle. Color the eyes black with a tiny white dot for a sparkle. Next, draw a big, happy smile underneath the eyes. Now, let's draw the narwhal's body. Start with a big oval shape for the body. Let's add a fun twist. Draw a big donut around the narwhal's body, right in the middle. Make sure to add a smaller circle inside for the hole and some icing dripping down the edges. Our narwhal looks so cheerful. Now, add a pair of flippers on each side of the body. These will help our narwhal swim through the water. Let's make it even more fun. Draw a pair of small, cartoonish hands at the end of one of the narwhal's flippers so it looks like it's holding its own fin. Don't forget to draw a pair of fins at the tail end. Our narwhal is looking great. Next, draw a long, spiral tusk coming out from the narwhal's forehead. On the tusk, draw another circular donut shape with a smaller circle inside to make the hole. Around the narwhal, draw lots of bubbles in different sizes, some big and some small. This will make our picture look magical. Add some icing dripping down the edges. Yum! Let's make it more attractive by adding a border. Trace all the borders of our masterpiece. Isn't it looking more dark and beautiful? Now for the fun part, coloring. Let's start by adding color to tusk yellow to make it stand out. And use pink for the inside of the mouth. Color the donut's icing pink. And the donuts themselves light brown. They look so tasty. Use a light blue color for the narwhal's body. Leaving the belly a lighter shade. Color the bubbles in various shades of sea blue and white to make them look like they're floating and shining. Add some light reflection spots on the bubbles to make them look more realistic. Great job, everyone! Our magical blue narwhal with pink chocolate donuts and bubbles is complete. Don't forget to show your masterpiece to your friends and family. See you next time for more fun drawing and coloring adventures.